girl Angel! So welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I will be sharing with you guys my teenage starter pack essentials, and I will give some tips based on my experience on how to prepare from 90 days to blooming dalaga. So without further ado, let's get into the video. You need to organize your things or your essentials, so you need a small pouch or kit for that. And this is my super cute unicorn pouch. Gift lang to sa akin ng student ko last Christmas, if I'm not mistaken. And it's very handy and cute. Hindi siya spacious sa bag, and sa storage niya naman kasya lahat ng essentials ko. So make sure na i-organize nyo lahat ng gamit or essentials nyo. Next is my napkin with napkin kit. I got this from Shopee for 16 pesos only. It's very important for me to bring an extra napkin. Kasi diba hindi naman natin alam kung kailan natin kakailanganin or kung sino yung mga kailangan. I really love this pouch kasi di na naka-expose yung gamit natin, especially itong napkin. So hindi na tayo nahihiya na kunin sa bag natin kasi meron ng pouch. Siya dito 2 to 3 napkins. So yes, it's very important talaga na meron kayong ganito. Next is my super cute Sailor Moon mirror. So ayan, nasa kit pa siya. There. Ayan. So for me naman, kaya ako laging may mirror sa essential kit ko kasi syempre para i-check or tingnan kung may something ba sa face natin or madumi ba. Lalo na kapag naharap tayo sa tao. So ayan, sine-check ko talaga muna yung face ko kung may something pa. And I got this from Shopee again. So nakalimutan ko lang yung shop and kung magkano siya. Bakit ilalagay ko na lang down in my description box. Okay? Kung gusto nyo. Next is my ponytail and hairbrush. So ayan, yung ponytail kasi ito yung easiest way na mabago yung look mo. At saka ako kasi mahilig ako magtali ng buhok ko. So talagang hindi ako nawawala ng ponytail sa aking essential. Hairbrush, ayan. Siyempre, kailangan natin to para maayos yung hair natin. Ayan. Next is my Dio Bello. So I really love the scent of this Dio because it's very mild and I found it to be gentle sa skin ko. So hindi talaga siya nawawala sa akin. Next is my Belo Baby wipe. So it's very convenient for me to carry these wipes because whenever I want to clean my face or my hands, especially kapag walang available na CR or water, so ito yung ginagamit ko, and it's very gentle lang this skin. And the last thing that I will be sharing with you guys is my newly discovered product during quarantine season. So since diba nagkaroon tayo ng lockdown, meaning no access to going out, then I find myself shopping online through Shopee. Of course, with the help of Shopee, I can access to more products, especially these mood boosters, Belo Baby Cologne. And I got all the 3 variants of this Belo Baby Cologne. Cool Drizzle, Citrusy, Sweet Snuggle. Change my cologne depending on my mood. So if you want to feel relaxed or calm, then you can use this Cool Drizzle because it has a light, fresh, and classic scent. And this is my favorite. And it smells like a baby talaga kapag ginamit ko to. Citrusy is like a scent of summer. And it has a fruity and citrusy scent that it really makes me remember my childhood days playing outside with my cousin. Ayan, naglalaro kami ng buko, patintero, habol-habulan, etc. So, yeah, if you kind of feel sad or bored, then try this Citrusy to boost your mood. The last scent is surely for a girly girls, and if you're in a mood to cuddle someone you love, then try this. So, Sweet Snuggle has a mild, sweet floral scent that blooms throughout the days. Belo Baby Cologne comes in a 50 ml spray format with a price of 69 pesos. Next is their 100 ml Belo Baby Cologne with a price of 84 pesos only. It is available in SM, other major supermarkets, Watsons, and of course online via Shopee. If you're planning to purchase these Belo Baby Cologne, meron silang Shopee account. Ilalagay ko na lang down in my description box yung Shopee link nila. Okay? Okay, so the scent of these three cologne are very premium and classic. Masabi ko talaga na very Belo talaga yung cologne na to. So, hindi mo mapagkakailang Belo talaga siya. So, ngayon naman, I will tell you why I love this cologne so much. First, because it has a glycerin that moisturize, chamomile-derived ingredients that suit skin, and it's carefully formulated without paraben, phthalates, and coloring agents. It's been clinically proven to be hypoallergenic, so it's gentle and less irritating on the skin. And it can be used for all-day freshness, so place a small amount on hands, like this, and truly as often as you like. And it can be also used as a hand sanitizing solution, so you don't need to bring two separate products in your essential kits. And guys, I just want to say na Belo Baby Cologne does not only cater to babies, kasi even the young adult like me can simply use it in everyday basis. And for me, it doesn't have a strong scent, but a scent that helps me boost my confidence, and it gives me more motivation to not feel gloomy at all, especially in this whole quarantine season. So, talagang naging BFF ko na si Belo Baby Cologne starting quarantine season. I highly recommend this to you guys because Belo Baby Cologne, every teenager must have to smell fresh and clean every day. And that's my teenage starter essential kit. And before I get this video, I just want to say, always remember guys na baby steps is better than standing still. So, take it slowly. Don't rush things. Darating din yan, okay? So, sure na tatandaan niya sinabi ko sa inyo, okay? So, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!